Hello my lovely students. Today we are going to discuss animals in the cold and snow-bound regions. That means what are the special features or adaptation found in those areas that are living in a very cold climate. Okay, so let's start. Some of the example that live in very cold environment, that means all the time, not all the time, in the winter time their surface is covered with the snow. In that climate also some of the animals survive. What are the examples of those animals? Like walrus, seal, polar bear, arctic folk. Okay, and the next is reindeer, moose, and so many other animals also used to live in that polar region. We can also say arctic animals, polar region animals, or the animals that live in the snowy area or very cold area. All things are same. So we are going to know the adaptation found in these areas. Okay, so first we are going to talk about the polar bear. Polar bear adaptation. First of all, their color of the fur. Their color of the fur is white. This color protect them from those animals, okay, which are enemies of this polar bear. Okay, because they can easily hide their body, because color of the snow is also white and the color of the polar bear is also white. So from the far distance, okay, the enemies could not recognize polar bear and they can easily hide their body in the snow. Second thing, their fur also protect from the severe cold. Okay, the fur is protecting from very cold climate and keep their body warm. Second, their body is also having a lot of fat, and this fat also keep their body very warm during the cold environment. Okay, so these are the adaptation which is found in polar bear. Next adaptation which is found, they can also go in the hibernation. What is the meaning of hibernation? The long sleep, but in the winter season. In the last video I have discussed about the estivation. Estivation is the sleep that is always adapted in that summer season. That is also long sleep, but they are done in summer season. Hibernation is also the long and deep sleep, but these are seen in the winter season. To protect from the cold, the hibernation is always taken, and to protect from the summer, the estivation is always taken. So polar bear always show hibernation. That means they used to sleep for a long period of time in winter season. Some other animals like seal, walrus, okay, you are seeing their body is having a lot of fat. Okay, their body is having a lot of fat which is present below of the skin, and these fat only keep their body very warm. Okay, so some animals like walrus, I have said, seals are having blubber, the fat, the thick and fat layer. Okay, fat layer which is present below the skin, this is known as blubber. I have also discussed this blubber in definition. Okay, so this blubber keep their body warm during the severe cold environment. Next is migration of animals. Okay, this is also one of the adaptation that is shown by those animals or birds they are living in cold climate, like penguin. Okay, you are seeing these animals migrate from one place to another place. Migration is not only found in the bird. Okay, this is also found in the animals. Okay, what they do, what it means? It means when they are not able to survive in that cold climate, they used to migrate. They used to go from one place to another place. Okay, from the cold place they go to the warmer place, but not forever, but for certain period, till the winter will present in that place. Okay, when winter is over, then they return to these places. So we can also say migration is only shown when there is a lot of cold. Okay, so that they can find the food, they can survive, they can reproduce, okay, to other place. And when the situation become normal, the temperature become normal, again these migrating animals and bird return to their original places. Okay, so this migration is also one kind of adaptation which is shown by the animals. They are living in a cold place. Okay, so this is also considered as a adaptation. The next is hibernation. Okay, some animals like turtle, frog, porcupine, bear, okay, the frog, these animals show hibernation. Again, hibernation is a quality of the long sleep. Some animals used to eat a lot of food that will provide the energy during the sleeping period of time, okay, and for that time they are inactive. We can also say this is the inactive period for these animals. They don't used to do anything but only sleep, so that they can store their energy. If they will work, then they will need more energy now. So to protect from the loss of energy, what they do, they only sleep and sleep. They don't do any physical work, so that they can protect the energy stored in their body. So this is hibernation. Hibernation is also considered one of the adaptation which is shown by the animals, that they are living in a cold place, because hibernation is a sleep which is taken in a winter season. Okay, so these are always taken from the animals living in Arctic region. I hope you all have understood the adaptation found in the cold region. Thank you for watching.